Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Angel One. Angel One is one of India's leading full-service retail brokers offering discounted trading, investment advisory, and a powerful digital platform. Founded in 1996 and SEBI registered, Angel One has transitioned into tech-first stockbroker, competing with players like Zerodha, Grow, and Upstocks. It's widely used for stock trading, mutual funds, IPOs and FNOs, and portfolio management with over 13 million registered clients. Angel One has zero brokerage on delivery, flat $2 per order or intraday, FNO, commodities, and currency trading. Also, the Angel One Super App offers fast order execution, live charts, market news, and portfolio tracking. It integrated features for mutual funds, IPOs, SIPs, and insurance. Also, it offers AI-backed stock recommendations and portfolio suggestions and helps beginners with low-risk investment decisions. Trade in stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, IPOs, FNO, commodities, and more, all in one place. You can access expert reports, recommendations, and daily research. It is great for new investors who need guidance. Also, you can borrow funds to trade larger volumes via Angel One's margin service. With all that, some users report occasional lag or crashes during market hours. Login or logout bugs and update issues are common complaints. Also, while delivery is free, charges may apply for margin services, call and trade, and some reports. Also, DB charges and demat fees can surprise new users. Also, the platform can feel complex for beginners with too many tabs, pop-ups, and features. Some users complain about too many calls or messages offering premium services, MTF, or advisory plans. So, Angel One is a powerful, affordable trading platform that suits both beginners and experienced investors. With zero delivery charges, AI tools, and advisory services, it combines the benefits of discount broking and traditional stock broking. It is best for stock market beginners, traders looking for research support, or investors interested in IPOs, mutual funds, and long-term plans. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.